You need not try, but then also let's see. 12 plus 2, that is 14. 14 is divisible by 2 but not by 3, so not okay. Similarly 4, 16, not okay. 6, 18, see here these digits we are putting. 6, 18, okay. Then 12 plus 8, 20, not okay. So the answer can be what? This 12 or 18. It means the x can be 0 or 6, right? Whatever is given in the option as an option in the paper, tick 0 or 6. If both are given, it's a rare case, it won't be given, both can't be given. But if they are given, then tick 0, because we always require the least one. But this won't happen. Or 0 comma 6 would be one option, and other options can be 2 comma 3, whatever it is. So 0 comma 6 would be the correct option in that case. Next is, if 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, x is divisible by 4 and 3, then x equals to, means this is a number and last digit is x. Okay. So it should be divisible by 4 and 3. What is the test for 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. So 5 and some number. So it can be what? 52 or 56, because only 52 and 56 in the range of 50s are divisible by 4, right? So x equals to 2 or 6. Okay. Now next, divisibility test for 3. Okay. Total divisible by 3, right? So 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus x, that is x plus 16 is divisible by 3, right? So now we have the values of x as 2 or 6, and we also want x plus 16 to be divisible by 3. Now let's put both the values over here. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay. Why? Because 18 is divisible by 3, as well as it is by it follows the test of 4 also, right? Why? Because 18 means x becomes 2, which is in the test of 4, as we have solved earlier. Now 6, 16 plus 6. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.